Were you...
What?
Looking for Connie?
Why?
You weren't?
No, whatever.
You were? Yes!
What about it?
Oh, no, nothing. I haven't seen him yet. He should be here soon, though. I asked him to meet me here. Of course. Okay. Mosh, how can I help you? How can you?
Don't stress it. I was being ironical.
I know, I'm not stupid.
I never said that you were.
I didn't say that you did.
I know you're not stupid.
And I know that you are not.
Okay. So, we're neither of us stupid. So, how can I help you?
I was just wondering and wanted to say I'm sorry. For, all the things. You're sorry. Yes. For all the things. I am.
Good. See you later.
Good luck.
Fuck you.
Okay, I just say fuck you and your little black cloud, okay? I never did anything to you ever, and you can star in your own little lovelorn tragedy, but the universe is not out to get you, and I think that you know that, and if I were you, I would just get my head out of my ass.
Jesus.
Make some fresh choices.
Gosh. Thank you for the relationship advice. You're really the person that I
Just because I am me does not mean that I'm wrong, and just because you are meaner than me doesn't mean that you're right.
Wow.
I'm just saying.
You have no